So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do a Dutch side braid. I've done the style actually a couple times on my channel in the past, but I am thinking about starting to wear my hair more in more stretch styles, which is so opposite for me because I'm all about like moisturization and like having my hair be very moisturized and like almost not wet, but like just very moisturized. I'm all about the moisture. But I don't know, I kind of just want to try stretch styles. I keep hearing about how stretch styles, especially after a certain length, allows your hair to really flourish. And since my hair is kind of going into or getting up to my quote plateau length, my plateau length is 14 inches. I kind of want to just like try to see if stretch styles helps me out. I'm kind of nervous because I'm afraid that my hair is going to get dry because I can't really like wet my hair with stretch styles. I mean, I feel like if I do like a blown out braid out, I can re-moisturize my hair better. But in this style, because I'm doing a Dutch side braid and I have to be able to like maneuver my hair, I don't want my hair to be too stiff and like, I don't know, like I'm trying to figure out how to keep my hair moisturized and also how to like do these styles. Because I deep condition my hair and I steam it, I feel like my hair is very moisturized and already has all the moisture it needs. I don't need as much, but I don't know. We'll see what we do. But yeah, my hair right now is in a t-shirt because I'm just trying to soak up all the excess moisture, so I'm not blowing out my hair on soaking wet hair. You kind of want to start on like damp hair. So yeah, let's get started. What I want to do is I want to moisturize it with like a light moisturizer like this Almond J twisting butter and then my butter. But I definitely know it's not light. It's definitely heavy, especially for a blowout. So I think I'm gonna just blow it out as is. My hair should be very moisturized. It felt very moisturized. Like I said, I just deep conditioned it. So maybe I'll put the moisture on after I blow it out because I also don't want to mess up my blow dryer because my blow dryer is the Revair. And I don't want to get like a bunch of oils in my machine. So this is my hair, damp. I'm just gonna section it up. Plus my crown is also like very fragile. I don't know. I think I should just do more stretch styles. I don't know. I never really like consistently wore my hair stretched. Only time I stretched my hair was to just straighten it. I never wore like a stretch style. Like how some people like blow their hair out to do a style. Like they grew up doing that. I never grew up doing that. My mom always styled my hair on wet hair. Cornrows and wet hair. I never got my hair ever done like that, stretched, unless like I said, it was to straighten. I stretched with a purpose, never stretched to just stretch it. My hair is really easy to detangle because I finger detangle in the shower. And because I keep my hair pretty detangled majority of the time, it never really has a chance to get tangled. I think that's also a reason why I'm able to keep my length, even though I've never worn stretch styles. I do wash and goes pretty often, and why I'm able to comb my hair right now the way I am without any like conditioner is because my hair is very moisturized right now. Because I deep condition every time I wash my hair, which is about once a week, and I deep condition with a steamer. So it really gets up in there. So my hair is very moisturized, so I'm able to like control my hair better even though I don't have any product in it. And I'm not ripping through my hair at all. Like it's very easy to tangle. It's just froey right now. So we're gonna start with this section. I think I'm gonna split it in half. All right, so this is the Revair. I haven't used it in a while. So I had my hair in the Revair for about 40 or 45 seconds. And look how straight I got my hair. My hair looks almost bone straight, y'all. And it doesn't damage the hair. I didn't have to comb through it, no flyaways. Like, girl, look at my hair. All right, this back section is all stretched. Isn't that crazy? Yo, that's so crazy. What I'm gonna do with this section is I'm gonna take a little bit of the twisting, the Camille Rose twisting butter, like that, and a little bit of my Hair by Pierre butter oil mixed. That much, a little bit, because I want my hair to be moisturized. I really do. So I'm gonna just like throw it in there, like kind of like comb it through in there. Cause I mean, my hair is going in a braid and I want my hair to be moisturized. And I'm gonna take my tangle tweezer and like brush it through. And then I'm gonna bantu it. That way it doesn't revert. That is what I think I'm gonna be doing. Or how I'm gonna do it. That is how I'm gonna do my hair. Figured it out. Moving on to this side. What's crazy about this is it also makes my roots straight. Like my roots are pretty, I mean, they might not be perfect, but they're pretty straight. I'm gonna take this much of the twisting butter, this much of my hair butter, mix it together, and brush it kind of through, comb it through. I'm gonna tangle teaser to really just evenly distribute it. Okay, so these back 4 sections are done. I'm gonna do the top now. My ends still look really good. Yeah, guys, I just love how I don't even have to really like overly be brushing and brushing my hair just to get it blown out this straight. Mixing the cream and the butter. Get it? This is how I'm gonna moisturize my hair more. Cause I just don't like the idea of not having anything in my hair. The only time I feel like I just don't mind not having anything in my hair is when it's actually straightened. And when that happens, I just got a fresh trim and it's a, you know, it's a style, so. But this, no. If I'm for everyday, weekly wear, if I'm gonna be stretching my hair, I want to be able to moisturize it. So I'm glad this was not as hard as I thought it would be. So I'm gonna keep these in bantu knots. Like this is the most recent one. So I'm gonna let it sit for a couple minutes while I get ready and stuff and clean up. And I'll be back, take these down and show you guys the braid. All right, I'm back. So I'm gonna take everything down. Ooh, little curls. All right, so we're gonna turn this way. All right, so I'm gonna take some edge control, like that much. And I'm gonna start like lining the edge that's gonna be seen. So right now I'm just kind of like